Hey there, fellow artists. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Pooja Shakya, and today I have got something special for all you beginner artists and art lover out there. We are going to dive into the exciting world, explore how to kickstart your artistic journey. So grab your favorite sketchbook and let's get started. Art is truly magical, isn't it? It allows us to express our thoughts, emotions, and stories through visuals. Whether you are holding a brush for the first time or you have been doodling since you were a kid, your journey in art is unique and beautiful. Now, if you are just starting, it's completely okay to be a beginner. Remember, every artist you admire was once in your shoes. Embrace this phase and let it be a source of excitement rather than pressure. It's about progress, not perfection. Discovering your artistic style is like finding your voice. It takes time and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try various mediums, techniques, and subjects. Your style will evolve naturally as you explore and create. Creativity is your best friend on this journey. Keep a sketchbook to write down ideas, sketches, and random inspirations. And remember, inspiration can come from anywhere, nature, emotions, even from your dreams. Challenges are part of any journey, including art journey. Don't shy away from mistakes or creative blocks. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Remember, every masterpiece started as a work in progress. Setting achievable goals is crucial. Start with small goals like completing a certain number of sketches in a week or trying a new technique. As you achieve these, you will gain a sense of accomplishment that will fuel your artistic fire. So, you have it, the beginning steps of your art journey. Remember, the path you are on is yours to shape. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and keep that passion burning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.